Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to install RESTful web service module from code. So here I already enabled RESTful web service module. So you can see you can expose more all the entities by using this RESTful web services. And this module requires serialization. Automatically that module will get enabled. And then one more thing, so this will provide the functionality. So to enable and disable your services, you need to enable a module called Restful module. So it's a contributed module. You can enable it and it's available for Drupal 10 also. So that module I added and I also installed it. And then next, there is a module called Basic Auth. This is a core module. So HTTP basic authentication, RESTful web service, and then serialization. All these are core module, and then REST UI is a contributor module. So I enabled all the modules. So I'm going to explain in upcoming videos how to create a RESTful web services by using basic authentication. So once you enabled all this module, when you go to your configuration, web service, REST, so where you can see list of available services. So all those will be disabled by default. If you want, you can enable them. So by just clicking a button called enable on each service, when you click on it, so you will be able to configure what type of request formats you are going to accept and then what type of authentication you are going to provide. So whatever you're doing or whatever you want, you can give and you can just save the configuration. So by this way, you can enable any REST web services by using your core modules. And that's it about today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.